In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable speakers on a Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should go back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system item on the left panel, and on the right side, select sound. And then going down now, underneath your advanced section, should be something that says all sound devices. Go ahead and select that. Select your output speaker audio device you want to either enable or disable. And then there's an option where it says audio, allow apps and Windows to use this device for audio. Either don't allow or allow it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.